The Nissan Kicks key fob uses a CR2032 battery. First, locate the release button or seam on your key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery secured by a small retaining clip. Gently pry the battery out, noting which side is facing up. Plus, avoid using metal tools near the circuit board to prevent short circuits. Remember, static can damage components. Ground yourself before starting. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's securely placed under the retaining clip. Align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together until you hear a click. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it beeps or the light flashes. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the fob is fully closed. Recycle your old battery properly at a local recycling center. If you encounter any moisture ingress leading to circuit board issues, ensure you get a professional to resolve the issue.